and gentlemen, welcome aboard Lady Worldwide. Our flight to Cape Town will be departing shortly, so get ready to buckle up and enjoy the ride.
We're in Cape Town.
Going kayaking.
Whatever's bag is missing. Pick up. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm your host Anelo, and welcome to Nelo's World. Basically, we're going to Cape Town today. In an hour leaving for the airport, and we're gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna catch a flight, and then we're gonna do whatever. And then so we're in Cape Town now. Whatever's bag is missing. Basically what happened is, we were supposed to leave for Cape Town. I put a power bank in her bag, right? And I didn't remember. When we got to the check-in area, they said, do you have any power bags in your check bag? I said, no. Actually, let me check the bag. I opened the bag and we found one. We didn't find the other one, so I was like, oh, maybe I didn't take it to Cape Town with me or something. I told my dad that there's something wrong with the bag. So then what happens is he has to go, and we thought he wasn't going to make the flight now, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is all my fault. I think I put a power bank in Gadago's bag, and yeah, it was shy. So yeah, he comes back, everything's fine, and then we arrive in Cape Town, and suddenly her bag's missing. Gadago's bag is missing. No, I felt so disappointed. And Jenny felt so disappointed. I'm like, damn, there's so many shoes in there. My life, my clothing, oh my clothing. It was a power bank because of me, and now it's missing. It's all my fault. And the vibe was just ruined. It was just ruined. They scheduled it to go on the next flight to Cape Town, so everything was fine, but like I still felt really bad, and I'm sorry, Kadeko. I am truly sorry for what I did. Yeah. We're going to waterfront now. Yeah, check out this view. So we're gonna go on a walk now, just trying to explore the area, trying to get to know it. Now it's 2 minutes past 8 and it is sunset here in Cape Town. Yeah, let me show you what Table Mountain is looking like right now. So it's New Year's Eve, and right now, and we have a lot of things planned for the day. You guys shall see. We're going kayaking now. Fireworks now. So before here in Cape Cape Town and we're going to Zeitz Mocca right now. So we're going to V&A waterfront right now. Okay guys, so today we're going to go see my oldest friend. Yeah, so she lives in Cape Town, so I haven't been able to see her in the past 2 years, so we're gonna go to the beach for a few hours. Yeah, so yeah, let's go.
Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know.
It's our final day in Cape Town now, and we're leaving. We're going to church now. What's this thing? Hillsong in Century City, and from there, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yeah. So our flight did get delayed. So right now we're at the busiest lounge, and there was like a 15-minute wait time to get in because all the flights in Cape Town International Airport domestic got delayed. So yeah guys, that's what we're doing right now. The flight got delayed 2 hours. I'm frustrated, annoyed. There's a flight that was supposed to leave after us and it's going before us. Weird guys, weird.